So what does the Conqor waterproofing system warranty cover? So this covers that the concrete itself will be waterproof, covers that the joints will be waterproof, so there's a complete package there. And what's more, if something does go wrong, the warranty is not just about replacement product. It's about getting in there and actually fixing the problem so that either way you end up with a waterproof result. So our QA system is very important as part of this warranty. It covers things from on-site inspections of the gaskets, the water stops, at the ready mix plant, about making sure the additives are dosed correctly, making sure that batch of concrete that leaves the ready mix plant is the same one that turns up on site and then is put into that location. The spray applied treatments that we do are all marked up back to plans, and so every litre is accounted for on every square metre of the project. So this enables us to give a complete performance warranty that is really what you need when you're in asset management and what you need to get projects through council. So it's not just about putting some products out there that will give you a replacement warranty. It's about giving you a warranty that says if it fails, we will fix it back to a waterproof or a watertight state.
Saving the world, one concrete structure at a time. Markham, adding life to concrete.